Welcome to PLP. The following video will cover the installation of high-temperature airflow spoilers. Before beginning installation, ensure the cable is de-energized and the area where the high-temperature airflow spoiler will be installed is clean. Attach the closed-loop portion of the application support loop around one of the gripping sections of the high-temperature airflow spoiler. Now slide the application support loop over the gripping section and onto the cabled section. Pinch down on the loop to ensure it has a good grip on the high-temperature airflow spoiler. Apply the open loop end of the application support loop to the conductor. Slide the end of the high-temperature airflow spoiler with the application support loop attached away from you until the gripping section of the other end is in front of you and in the right position. Now wrap on the first gripping section. Splitting the rods into sets of 2 or 3 can aid in the application of the gripping section. Move to the other end of the high-temperature airflow spoiler and remove the application support loop. Begin wrapping the cabled spoiling section of the high-temperature airflow spoiler in a right-hand lay direction. A minimum of 2 full wraps are needed to provide adequate coverage. For some larger sizes, a third wrap may be required. It is very important to ensure the cabled spoiling section is wrapped tightly around the conductor. Finally, wrap on the other gripping section. The installation of the high-temperature airflow spoiler is now complete.